square root of a number. It is what? It's a square root of a number that cannot be simplified into whole number or a rational number. It never can be simplified as a whole number or rational number. We cannot write it in that form. So it cannot be accurately represented in the fractions. Okay. So like this. And also we have different kind of surds, like a different type of surds as a follow, like simple surds. A surd that has only one term, it's only one term, that is called simple surds, like root 3, root 5, root 6, that is a simple surd. And we have a pure surds which are completely irrational number, like in the roots, that is root 3, root 5, like that. So we have root 5, root 7. So in the square root, that is a rational, what, it's a prime number, you can say. And the simple surds, the surds giving having the same common surd factor, having the same common factor, like simple surd. And the mixed surd, the surd which are not completely rational, that can be expressed as a product of a rational number and is irrational number, that can be represent a product of rational number and irrational number. Then we have a compound surds. Compound surds and expression which is addition or subtraction of two or more surds. Two or more surds. So that is called compound. That will be like you can say 2 root 3 or 4 minus root 5, like that. So this will be a compound. Then we have binomial surds, a surd that has made up of two other surds. Okay. Now we have 6 rules for surds. What is the rules? Let's see and let's discuss that. Okay. Rule number 1. If there is a under root a into b, we can write in the separate form. Root a into root b. Like 18 is written root 9 into 2. Root 9 into 2. So in this form we can write 18. And 18 9 into 2, and 9 is written 3 square. So it's a 3 square and here is a 2 square. And 3 is taken as a common here. Right? Then we have another formula. Suppose this is a root a upon b. So we can write in separate form. A upon b. That is also very good. So suppose we have 12 upon 121. So 12 under root 12 and under root 121 is written in separate form, numerator and denominator. And 12 is written 4 into 3. So this will be also separated, 4 into root 3, and this will be 11. So 2 root 3 by 11. We have another rule, that is a upon b. We can rationalize by same number multiply numerator and denominator. So same number root a is multiplied both sides, like this. Suppose b upon root a is here, so we have to rationalize with the same number. We have to multiply numerator and denominator. Okay. Then we have rule 4. Rule 4 is a what? If a under root c plus minus b, so we can take c as a common here, so it will be a plus b, right? We can also take like that. Suppose a root c plus minus b root c, so here we can take c as a common, so it will be plus minus b. So we can take both the sign here. Okay, all right. I hope you understood, guys. So let's see question number 5. How can you solve them? That is a c upon a plus b root 5. How can you write? This will be also rationalized by the same number. Suppose here is a plus b root n, so it will be rationalized with the same number with negative sign, like a minus b root n, and it will be multiply and divide both sides. So this will be the answer. Suppose we have to subtract 2 plus root 2, then we have to rationalize it. It will be 2 minus root 2, and this will be 2 root 2. Okay, so in this way if you multiply, so this will be 3 into 2, that is 6, then 3 root 2, and this will be a plus b minus b, so it will be minus 2, and this will be minus 2 square. I hope that is clear. So these are the 6 rules we have discussed here, and the question is arises again. Some important topics questions is here. You can see, if a to the power m into b to the power n, so power will be added. The same rule will multiply here. If any power is a negative, so it will be written in the denominator. Okay, so these are the questions. So we will see the questions in the next videos. So thank you so much guys, have a great day. Please like, subscribe and follow my channel.